Now the last template we are actually going to look at is the Envato Elements. Now this is actually the best for me. This is the best templates I get to use among the three that I've actually mentioned. So I use the Envato element a lot, and it is the best for me. So you're welcome once again to this video, and this will actually be the last in this series where I show you how to use templates to get your design done. Also get to use it to practice and become a perfect WordPress designer. Now I'm on my plugins tab. So to use the Envato elements, I'll need Elementor, which I have installed. So to do that, you come to add new, you click on, you search rather for Elementor. Got that wrong. Sorry, I spelled it wrongly. Elementor. Now this is the Elementor builder. So you install and then you activate it. Now you also search for Envato Elements. Now this is the main template you are going to make use of. So it is called the Envato Elements. So what you now do is install. Once it is installed, you now activate. Now you see it appear here. You see here elements. So you come over here and then you click on template kits. So these are the different template kits you can actually make use of. You can get to preview, you can get more information about it. Now, unlike the other ones we've discussed, the other two templates we've actually discussed, the Envato Elements are also have the free and the premium versions of their templates. So you really need to look out for that, because if you are going for the free or the paid, you need to make payments. Now these are beautiful templates you can make use of, and it cuts across so many categories. You can see from this category you can check for automotive and transportation, blogs and podcasts, business and services, creative design, education, and the rest of them. So let us check them out. Now I actually clicked on the template kits, which has taken me to the premium, and this is what you need to avoid unless you actually want to purchase them, or you want to purchase any of this theme. But here is the free kits you can actually make use of. So you see here, these ones are free, whereas these ones are the premium, the paid ones, the ones you actually need to pay for. So you can also check on the categories. See, the categories are not that broad compared to the premium. But one thing about WordPress is that you can actually pick a particular theme and then customize it to fit the design you want. So we have 153 free template kits, whereas when we looked at the premium one, we had over 3,000 plus premium kits, and they are too beautiful, way beautiful. But then we are not going to purchase anything, we are actually making use of the free one. So we go back to our free kits. Let me check for other ones. Okay, let me preview this and see how it looks like. So you can see how it looks like. This is the home page. It has two home page, 1 and 2. Okay, 3 home pages. This is the first home page, so you can either make use of this, make use of this, or make use of this as your home page. It has an about page. This is 1, 2 about pages, and as frequently asked questions, courses, contacts, courses again, and the rest of them. So that's how you preview your templates before you actually get to install them. If you're okay with this, which I'm okay with for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll need to click on install. So once you've clicked on install, you see this. There are 2 requirements that need installing for this template kits to work correctly. So it means there's a particular, or there are about 2 plugins that I actually need to install. So all I'll do is click on install requirements, and then I'll smash the install above selected requirements. Oh, sorry, Elementor Pro is actually a paid version of the free Elementor. So this one still, you can still make use of the free version which we installed earlier, and then I'll close this. It still wants us to install the Elementor Pro. So if you have the Elementor Pro already, you can install, and then you can then go ahead with your design. Okay, these are photos, we don't need them. Now I'll come to pages, add new, and I'll call this home. And I'll click edit with Elementor. I'll choose this Envato Elements. You see, this the theme I installed. So assuming I did not want to follow that process, installing the theme first before coming to import the different pages, I can actually use this method. I'll first create a page. Once I'm done creating the page, I'll click on edit with Elementor. Then I'll now choose this icon. It will take me down here. Then I'll get to choose Envato Elements. So I can now click on this plus icon to install either a free or a premium if I actually have that. But we are going with this which I had installed. Then what this means is for every page that I want to design, I'll need to import each of them. For every page, I'll need to install each of them. So I'll go with the first home page and I'll click on insert template. So this will actually import this home page into my home page, and this will now serve as the home page for me. So if I'm now designing the about page, I can still come back, pick the about page, import it, and then go ahead and edit it. If I'm designing the contacts page, I'll do the same. If I'm designing the or any other page I want to design, I'll still get to do the same. Now I'll actually need to wait for each of the contents to come up. This might take some time depending on your network. So if you have a good network, it will just import at once. So look at it, guys. This is actually free. You don't pay for the theme, and then you can use this theme, customize it the way you want. So look at this. The theme is actually beautiful. So you go ahead, edit, you can click on this pencil icon to edit it. So here it is. You can change the words, you can change the size, you can change the tag, want it header 1, you can change the alignments, want it center, justify, or whatever. So you take your time and then you edit each page. You edit the images, change whatsoever thing you want to change, and once you are done, you hit the publish icon. see, hooray, your page is live. So let's check it out. Okay, this is still from our old template. This from the starter that we just did. So I'm leaving this. So our page is actually live. Let me go back. Now there's an issue here. You see, in the previous when we made use of the starter templates, this was our home page, and now we are now using the Envato. This becomes our home page. Now let's look at how our site looks like. It still has the home page of the starter template we made use of. So to change this, we'll go to, okay, let me delete this particular home. So I have home, Elementor, and this. So these are two homes. This is that of the starter template we did in the previous video, and this is the one we've just done. So still go to settings, go to reading, and effects that change. Under home page, sorry for that, under home page, we'll actually click on home and then save. And you see everything changes. So once we now take our time, edit everything one after the other, change whatsoever thing we want to change, we are good to go. From here, from the home, we can now go and then create a menu. So assuming you've created all the pages, you can now go to appearance, menus, and then create your menus. This is actually invalid, we've changed that. So this is I can actually create a new menu. Where is it? Create new menu. Now call it menu. Make it the primary menu, and I'll create. So I'm adding the home page. Where is it? This is it. Now add it to menu, and then I'll save. So that's how you create your menu. And with this is how you actually get to use templates to create your sites. I hope you actually got value. So don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment in the comment section how you feel about these three template. Yes, which one would you prefer to use? Is it the first one? Is it the starter template or the Envato Elements? Let me get to know in the comments section below. Thank you.